All right, so the crypto market is in a crucial phase right now. We've seen Bitcoin hit all-time record highs, then Ethereum did, and now we're starting to see a shift into large caps and altcoins and just those higher risk plays. So recently, I've been looking a lot into meme coins because in every market cycle, we always see Bitcoin rally first, then Ethereum, and then we see that shift into like higher risk plays like meme coins, altcoins, and just a lot of other projects. And so recently, I invested in a project called Pepe Node. This is a project that's currently in its pre-sale, and it's doing something really cool in the crypto space. It's taking the idea of meme coins and piggybacking off of Pepe and combining that with a mine to earn mechanism. So it's a mine to earn meme coin. They've currently raised over $600,000, and this project has already seen a lot of interest. It's been talked about on a number of major news sites. If you look at its audit from CoinSalt, there are no major issues at all with its smart contract, which is exactly what you want to see. Zero issues on DGen Scanner. And so with this project, the way it works is that it lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig. You could buy nodes, build your server room, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. So the way it works is you just buy meme nodes, upgrade facilities, and earn meme coins. Right now, for people who are getting in during the pre-sale, they have some pretty impressive staking rewards. If you're looking at their staking rewards right now, in terms of staking, if you buy tokens during the pre-sale, you go ahead and stake it, they have a rate of 2,578% for the estimated staking rewards, and we've already seen over 300 million tokens staked for Pepe Node. If we look at some other details of the project, if we go to the About page, we can see that it talks all about how Pepe Node is bringing gamified meme coins mining to the crypto space and to the masses. And so it says no physical computing power required. Pepe Node allows you to build a customized meme coin mining rig in your own virtual server room. And the more nodes you have means the more meme coins you have. And so we already spoke about exactly how this works with buying nodes, upgrading facilities, and earning meme coins. So they're doing something revolutionary because it's not relying on computing power, and it's just more so all about nodes. Next thing is going to be with how to actually mine. So the way it works, it says every Pepe node holder begins with an empty virtual server room, a blank canvas ready to be filled with virtual mining power. Then what happens is you buy your first node. With this, you're going to be able to activate your yield, and each node is a unique asset. So the more nodes you have, the more you'll be able to earn. You also can go about upgrading and selling them later on to reclaim your Pepe node if you want. Third thing is going to be combining your nodes. Like I said, the real power with Pepe node is with more nodes. So by aligning different nodes, you can significantly boost your mining output. And so basically, like I said, the more nodes you have leads to a higher output. Last thing is going to be with selling your nodes. The cool thing about Pepe node is that it allows you to also go about selling your nodes as well if you no longer want to use them. So there's a lot of benefits to this project, and we can already see that it's talked about in a number of major news outlets, TradingView, Bitcoinist, News BTC. It's all on here, and if we're looking at their roadmap, they have some pretty big things planned moving forward. Right now, we're in the pre-sale process, so we're still in the extremely early phases. This is really just starting to get a little bit more community outreach, starting to raise money and build the platform. Then into the TGE phase. That's going to be once they've hit their milestone goals for their raise. We're going to have the TGE, which is the official launch of Pepe node. Then people are going to be able to deploy their Pepe node tokens and begin building out their virtual rooms. And then the third is going to be the mine to earn game. So once your virtual rigs are running, then you could go about actually mining and have the real utility of Pepe node. So like I said, this is a project that is combining the world of meme coins with the world of mining, and it's doing something really different. In terms of the tokenomics, it has a pretty impressive breakdown. 35% is for economics and treasury, 15% for infrastructure, 7.5% for node rewards, 7.5% for growth and listing, and 35% for protocol development. development. So ultimately, this is a pretty good breakdown in my opinion. It gives the community incentives to continue working and being a part of the project during the pre-sale, and it also gives the project and team members incentives to continue working and building long term. So right now there's a lot of exciting things going on in the meme coin space, but I think that the Pepe narrative is going to continue. Pepe has been one of the top performing meme coins in the market for years now, and I think Pepe Node is going to be able to piggyback off of that narrative and outperform many of the projects that are having pre-sales and launching right now. So I bought this token. I'm really excited to see where it goes, and I think it's definitely worth checking out.